This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT343 VIB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 11, TV antenna, spare tire kit, skylight, water heater, awning, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT343 VIB is 9,370 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT343 VIB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.